A blessed day, dear learners. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting topic on prepositions of time. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to expand your knowledge and understanding of this topic. As always, please take care and stay safe. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Prepositions. Prepositions are often small words that typically precede noun phrases or pronouns, providing information about place, time, reason, and more. Examples include place, on the bus, at home, opposite the table, time, until Tuesday, after Christmas. Ang mga pang-ukol ay kadalasang maliliit na salita na karaniwang nauuna sa mga parirala o panghalip na nagbibigay ng impormasyon tungkol sa lugar, oras, dahilan, at higit pa. Kasama sa mga halimbawa ang lugar, sa bus, sa bahay, sa tapat ng mesa, oras, hanggang Martes, pagkatapos ng Pasko. Prepositions of time. In. We use in for longer periods of time such as months, seasons, years, decades, and centuries. I was born in August. The war began in 1982. Technology boomed in the 21st century. We just stay at home in winter. In is also used for parts of the day. I take my vitamins in the morning. I watch TV in the evening. Additionally, in can designate a time in the future or indicate the duration of an action. The train will leave in a few minutes. I learned to drive in 4 weeks. Pang-ukol ng panahon. Sa, ginagamit namin ang in para sa mas mahabang panahon tulad ng mga buwan, panahon, taon, dekada, at siglo. Ipinanganak ako noong Agosto. Nagsimula ang digmaan noong 1982. Umunlad ang teknolohiya noong ika-21 siglo. Nananatili lang kami sa bahay kapag taglamig. Ginagamit din ang in para sa mga bahagi ng araw. Iniinom ko ang aking mga bitamina sa umaga. Nanonood ako ng TV sa gabi. Bukod pa rito, maaaring magtalaga si in ng oras sa hinaharap o ipahiwatig ang tagal ng isang pagkilos. Aalis na ang tren sa loob ng ilang minuto. Natuto akong magmaneho sa loob ng 4 na linggo. On. We use on before days, dates, and specific holidays. I will see you on Friday. We will celebrate on the 25th of July. We exchange gifts on Christmas Day. At. We use at for specific times of the day. My work starts at alas 7 in the morning. We read a story at bedtime. Sa. Ginagamit namin sa bago ang mga araw, petsa, at partikular na holiday. Magkita tayo sa Biyernes. Magdiriwang tayo sa ika-25 ng Hulyo. Nagpapalitan kami ng mga regalo sa araw ng Pasko. Sa, ginagamit namin sa para sa mga partikular na oras ng araw. Magsisimula ang trabaho ko ng alas 7 ng umaga. Nagbabasa kami ng kwento bago matulog. 4. We use for to measure periods of time, including seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years. He held his breath for 7 minutes. Since. We use since with a specific starting point in time. She's been sitting in the waiting room since 2:30. Para sa, ginagamit namin ang para upang sukatin ang mga yugto ng panahon, kabilang ang mga segundo, minuto, oras, araw, buwan, at taon. 7 minuto siyang nagpipigil ng hininga. Since. Ginagamit namin mula nung may isang tiyak na panimulang punto sa oras. Nakaupo na siya sa waiting room simula alas 2:30.
Prepositions are small words, but they are important. They tell us about time. They tell us when something happens. We use them every day. For example, we say in the morning or on Monday. These little words help us understand time. They make our sentences clear. Learning prepositions is easy. With a little practice, you can use them like a pro. Let's explore some common prepositions of time in, on, and at. We use in for longer periods of time. This includes months, seasons, and years. Think about months like January, February, or March. We say in January, in February, or in March. Similarly, for seasons we say in spring, in summer, in autumn, or in winter. And for years we say in 2020, in 2021, or in 2022. We also use in for parts of the day. For example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. For example, you might say, I was born in August. Here, in tells us the month of your birth. This usage helps to specify the time frame more clearly. We also say, we go skiing in winter. Here, in tells us the season for skiing. Using in helps to indicate the specific season when an activity takes place. In is also used for parts of the day. For instance, we say, I read the newspaper in the morning, or I go for a walk in the evening. We say, I eat breakfast in the morning. This tells us when you have breakfast. Using in helps to specify the part of the day when an activity occurs. Remember, use in for longer periods like months, seasons, and years, as well as for parts of the day. This helps to clearly indicate the time frame of an event or activity. By using in correctly, you can make your communication more precise and understandable. So, next time you talk about time, remember to use in for those longer periods and parts of the day. On is used for specific days and dates. It's a simple yet powerful preposition that helps us pinpoint exact moments in time. Think about days of the week or special days like your birthday. For example, you might say, my birthday is on Monday, or the meeting is on Wednesday. For instance, you would say, we'll meet on Friday. This clearly indicates the specific day you are referring to, leaving no room for confusion. On tells us the specific day of the meeting. It's a precise way to communicate when something is happening. We also use on for dates. For example, you might say the event is on July 4th, or her birthday is on December 25th. Her birthday is on July 10th. This tells us the exact date of her birthday, making it easy to remember and plan for. This tells us the exact date of her birthday. Using on in this way helps us be clear and specific. On is your go-to preposition for specific days. Whether it's a day of the week, a holiday, or a special event, on helps you specify the exact day. Use it for weekdays, dates, and holidays. For example, we celebrate Christmas on December 25th, or the meeting is on Monday. This way everyone knows exactly when things are happening. Section 4, using at. In this section, we will explore how to use the preposition at to indicate specific times and parts of the day. Understanding this will help you communicate more precisely and effectively. At is for specific times. When you want to pinpoint an exact moment, at is the preposition you need. For example, you might say, the meeting is at 3 p.m. or the train arrives at noon. Think about the exact hour or part of the day. At helps you specify these moments clearly. Whether it's at dawn, at dusk, or at midnight, at makes your timing precise. We say, my work starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. This tells us the exact time work begins, leaving no room for ambiguity. It's clear and straightforward. At tells us the precise time work begins. It's not just about the hour, it's about being specific. You could also say the store opens at 9 a.m. or the show starts at 7 p.m. We also say, we have dinner at night. This usage of at helps us understand the part of the day when the activity occurs. It's not just about the exact hour, but also the general time frame. At tells us the part of the day for dinner. You might also say, I go to bed at night, or we have a meeting at noon. These phrases help us understand the timing of daily routines. Use it when you want to be specific about the time. It's a small word with a big impact, making your communication clear and precise. Whether it's for appointments, events, or daily routines, at is your go-to preposition. It's your friend for telling time accurately. So next time you need to specify a time, remember to use at. It will help you convey your message with clarity and precision. Section 5, for and since. For and since are also prepositions of time, but they work a little differently. For tells us how long something lasts. You might say, I studied for 3 hours. For tells us the duration of your studying. Since tells us when something started. We say she's been working since morning. Since tells us when her work began. Remember, for is for duration, and since is for the starting point.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. Thank you. And God bless you always.
I hope you found a lecture on English, lecture notes insightful, and gained new knowledge. If you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. We welcome your feedback, questions, and suggestions. which you can leave in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning into Teacher Lumaban's YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. May God bless you always.